Mastering articles in English grammar. Let's begin mastering articles in English grammar. Articles like a, an, and the define whether a noun is specific or general. They may seem small, but they're powerful tools in both speaking and writing. Even small mistakes in article use can completely change a sentence's meaning. Let's explore how to use them with precision. Why articles matter. Let's understand why articles matter so much. They help determine if something is definite or indefinite, known or unknown. Errors in articles often lead to confusion or awkward phrasing. Using them correctly is key for fluency, clarity, and correctness. Whether writing or speaking, mastering them is essential. Types of articles. Let's look at the types of articles. There are two, definite and indefinite. The definite article is the used for specific things we both know. Indefinite articles are a and used for nonspecific or general nouns. Choosing the right type changes the message of your sentence. The definite article, the. Let's explore the definite article, the. We use it for unique things like the sun or the moon. It's also used for previously mentioned nouns or superlatives like the best. Use it with famous landmarks or specific places, the Taj Mahal, the Ganga. It makes your language more specific and focused. Indefinite articles, a, and, an. Let's talk about a, and, an, the indefinite articles. Use, before consonant sounds like a pen. Use, an, before vowel sounds like an apple or an hour. These are great when introducing something for the first time. They point to something not yet known or identified. Common fixed expressions. Let's learn some fixed expressions where article usage is fixed. Always use a in phrases like make a promise or take a risk. Use the in time expressions like in the morning or at the station. These are set phrases, so don't change the article. Learning these will make your English more natural. Special use cases. Let's examine some special cases in article use. Uncountable or abstract nouns usually don't take an article. Information is power. But when specified, use the information you gave was useful. Also, use the with rivers, trains, and historic buildings, the Ganga, the Eiffel Tower. Knowing these cases adds polish to your grammar. Advanced rules and exceptions. Let's review some advanced rules and exceptions. Superlatives always use the like the best moment. Avoid saying this kind of a book, just say this kind of book. Use a with kind type sort only in questions. What kind of a person is he? These finer points can dramatically improve your fluency. Spotting common errors. Let's spot some common errors with articles. She is in a confusion, she is in confusion. By a road, by road. Such dinner, such a dinner. The man is mortal when stating a general truth. Practice sentences and corrections. Let's practice with real corrections. This sort of a place is good, this sort of place is good. He put his team to great deal of trouble, a great deal of trouble. She prefers job to business, a job to business. It is a news for me, it is news for me. Let's wrap up this lesson on mastering articles. We've covered a, an, and their usage, rules, and exceptions. Mastering articles builds precision, professionalism, and fluency. Keep practicing them in speaking and writing. Thank you, and keep learning with us at hegsdc.com.